What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another summer cocktail, and like I said, this is the perfect version of the Screwball. Third time's the charm, and I think I know why. I've not quite got it right. Like I said, it's been near enough perfect, 99% perfect, but this time we're aiming for 100%. It is the Screwball. Like I said, it's the famous version from the Alchemist, and I know why it's always been dark blue now, and I can finally reveal the secret recipe to it. It's a white chocolate foam. You put it in the shaker with it, and that's why it turns it that nice sky blue colour, as I will show you guys how to make the perfect version of the Screwball. Let's do this, let's get straight into it. But if you're new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more cocktails like this, as we do cocktails, drinks, anything in the imagination on this channel. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is get your tin shaker and put in 4 to 5 ice cubes. Right, so let's build this cocktail now. Right, so get your jigger, and now let's start off with 40ml, which is 1.3 ounce of apple juice. You can use cloudy apple juice, but I'm not, I'm just using apple juice. Next ingredient to the tin, guys, is 25ml, just short of 1 ounce of raspberry vodka. Like I said, if you've never had this cocktail before, I highly recommend it. You get it from Alchemist. It's absolutely beautiful. Especially got a sweet tooth. It's a really nice cocktail, Screwball. But it brings back many happy memories of being a child. So next ingredient to the tin, guys, is 25ml, just short of 1 ounce of blue Curacao. But it turns it that famous blue colour. Next into the tin to give it its distinct flavour is 25ml, or just short of 1 ounce of bubblegum syrup. Next is 50ml, or half an ounce of citric acid dilution. You can use lime juice if you wish. For this, it's a lot more clearer. And now, to give it its sky blue colour, 100ml, just over 3 ounces of a white chocolate foam. So the thing to do now is put your glass on. Give it a bang so it's secure, and then give it a nice hard shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. As you can see, guys, we finally got the colour right. That's what I've been looking for a very long time. Mine's also turned out sky blue, and it's a white chocolate foam that's done it. So that is a nice sky blue colour you're looking for the Screwball cocktail. So get a rocks glass now and put in 3 big ice cubes, maybe 2. Wait until we do it. So 2 big ice cubes. So give this a bang now to separate. Put your Hawthorne strainer on. What's that? And now strain into your rocks glass. And just look at that beautiful sky blue colour. We've finally got this drink right. It's the right colour. I've always got the taste right, but it's always been the colour. Just look how beautiful that colour is. Absolutely perfection. So the final thing to do now is to garnish it with a little bit of white chocolate foam on top. And then to finish it off, guys, just add a maraschino cherry. There it is. What I like to do now, because I saw bartenders do it, like I said, it's always been a custom of mine, is to add a little bit of maraschino sauce into it. So I've always done like this. Like I said, this is optional, you don't have to do it, you don't have to put it into the drink, but I always like it. So something that's always stuck by me ever since I saw it for the first time. But that, my friends, is the perfect version of the Screwball cocktail. Third time I'm asking, that's the charm, and I'm happy with the results. I cannot wait to taste it. And there we go, the perfect version of the Screwball. I cannot wait to taste this. I'm in heaven. It's absolutely nailed it. It makes it better. The white chocolate foam, like I said, it's already delicious, the previous 2 attempt, but with the sky blue colour now, that famous Screwball colour I've been looking for. If you got a sweet tooth, this is a drink for you. I highly recommend it. So if you ever go to the Alchemist, I recommend you try this cocktail, or you can get it from the Alchemist cocktail book. So we'll leave it in the description below, a link to this if you wish to get it as well. But the white chocolate foam changes everything. That is 10 out of 10. You will do very well to beat this cocktail. It's absolutely beautiful. It just tastes like a Screwball. So many memories, so many tastes are coming back to me. If you've ever had the Screwball, I recommend this. It's just beautiful. It's 10 out of 10, and I finally got it right. Third time in basking. Previous 2 have been very good attempts, but this one is perfection. Finally, at last, I have nailed it. That is the Screwball cocktail. And you just can't beat it. Like I said, for a summer cocktail, you just cannot beat the Screwball cocktail. I highly recommend it. I can't say that enough. I highly recommend it. Beautiful sweet tooth. If you've got a sweet tooth, this is a cocktail go-to. It's very sweet, it's very nice, and it's got booze in it as well. As I said, just everything about it is beautiful. It's voila. 10 out of 10, like I said, this is my masterpiece, like I said, so congratulations to the Alchemist. Like I said, I've always loved this recipe. I'm glad they brought back the Screwball onto the menu. I'm so happy. But that, guy, is the perfect version of the Screwball. I was gonna say, if you've ever been to Alchemist, do visit him, do get this cocktail. It's very nice. They do many more variations. I was gonna say, the science behind it's just absolutely fantastic, and they will wow you. And I highly recommend you visit him. I was gonna say, they're all across the UK if you ever get a chance to visit their bars. But that, guys, has been the Screwball, the perfect version of the Screwball from the Alchemist cocktail book. Do let me know in the comments, have you ever tried this? Have you ever made it for yourselves? I do recommend. But I've been MixedSid. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid. It really does help the channel grow, so we're on the road to 2K. And I will see you guys for my next cocktail video, which will be tippery. Cheers. You've got to go a long way to beat this cocktail, and I really mean that. That is just, oh, it's their signature of Alchemist. It's absolutely their signature. Do not ever get rid of this cocktail, Alchemist. Do not get rid of it, ever. I was going to say, if you ever have a chance to learn, I recommend you make that as well. It's a very nice cocktail as well.